Hello everyone, today we are knitting all about crochet, talking about crochet baby girls dress designs. These adorable dresses are perfect for your little princess and making them yourself add the special handmade touch. I will be sharing beautiful patterns and designs that are simple, stylish and comfy for babies. Let's get started. Classic crochet dress design. One of the most popular baby girl dress styles in the classic crochet dress usually features soft yarn with a gentle stitch like shell or puff stitch. This deserves this does look elegant with a simple flare at the bottom and can have cute little sleeves or be sleeveless. Flowered or embellished dress, adding little crochet flowers to the dress make it super cute and girly. You can place flowers on the neckline, around the waist, or scattered on the skirt. Bright colors are soft pastel work beautifully here. Ruffled baby dress, ruffles and volume, and charm to baby dresses, crochet layers of ruffles at the hem or sleeves for a playful look. Using Lyshon keep it comfortable for the baby. Summer dress patterns for warmer weather, crochet baby dress with open lace patterns are perfect. These let all pass through, keeping the baby cool. Choose cotton yarn in fun colors like yellow, pink, or lavender for a fresh summer vibe. Winter crochet dresses, thick, thicker yarn and denser stitches make winter baby dress warm and cozy. And long sleeves are paired with matching crochet hats and booties for complete winter set. Dress with bow or sash. A simple crochet dress can be made extra special with a detachable bow or sash around the waist. This adds lovely finishing touch. It can be customized in different colors, easy to wear designs. Consider dresses with buttons or ties at the back or shoulders to make dressing easier for patterns. Comfort and ease of use are important for baby clothes. Color combinations mixing two or three soft colors in strips or patterns make the dress more playful. Popular combos are pink and white, lavender and cream, or peach and mint. Matching accessories to complete the look, crochet matching handbag, hats, or booties. Coordinate sets are always adorable and make great gifts. Crochet baby girl dresses are a wonderful way to express creativity and care, whether you are making a dress for special occasions or everyday wear. There are endless designs to explore. Grab your hook and yarn and start creating something beautiful for your little one.